Hello student, in previous class we studied about the soil formation and what soil contain. So let's start the remaining part of this chapter. Our next topic is types of soil. Based on the size of particles, soil can be classified in three types, that is sandy soil, clay soil and loamy soil. And the type of soil depend on the kind of rocks from which it is formed. So how many types of soils are found there? There are three types of soil, that is sandy soil, clay soil and loamy soil. Sandy soil. Sandy soil is formed by grains of rocks and it is mostly found in the beaches and in the desert area. It is grey and brown in color and there are lots of space between the soil particles. Sandy soil can hold very little water. ये जो सॉइल होती है ये पानी बहुत कम सोखती है. क्यों सोखती है? क्योंकि इसके जो पार्टिकल्स होते हैं वो बहुत बड़े बड़े पार्टिकल्स होते हैं एंड जो एयर होती है, स्पेस होता है इन पार्टिकल्स के बीच में, वो बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. दैट्स वाई soil sandy soil can hold very little water, and sandy soil is not good for growth of a plant. Only some plant like cactus and kikar vegetation found in a desert area because they need very few water for the growth. So some plants like cactus and kikar trees grow in this soil. Next is clay soil. Clay soil is made of extremely tiny particles. बहुत छोटे छोटे particles से मिलकर बनी हुई होती है clay soil. And it is very sticky. Sticky means you can say it is very chipchippy. And it can hold a lot of water but very little air. पानी बहुत ज़्यादा होल्ड करती है बट एयर जो होती है इनमें बहुत कम होती है. Since clay is very soft and smooth, so it is very useful for the potters to make pots, toys and bricks. It is not good for the growth of the plant. ये जो सॉइल होती है ये भी सैंडी सॉइल की तरह प्लांट के ग्रोथ के लिए सही नहीं होती है. Only some plants like cotton plants can grow well in this type of soil. And next is loamy soil. A soil which has equal amount of sand and clay, that is called loam. What is loam? A soil which contain equal amount of sand and clay, and it is called loam. And loamy soil has particles of different size and contain a large amount of humus. And you know student that humus is very good for the growth of the plant and it can hold enough air and water. So loamy soil is the best soil for the plant growth because it contains air, water and humus. That's why loamy soil is very good for the plant growth. So you can differentiate between these types of soil. We can say that sandy soil are large in size, sand particles are large in size, clay particles are very small, and loamy soil contain mixture of clay and sand particles. And in the sandy soil it cannot hold water, and clay soil can hold water but its particles are very extremely small, and loamy soil can hold enough water. We can say that clay soil and sandy soil are not good for growing plants, but the loamy soil is very good, very fine soil for the growth of the plant. So students, you can differentiate between these soils. Our next topic is uses of soil. Soil is useful for living things in many ways. Like plant need soil to grow. Without soil, plant would have no place to grow. Without soil, plant cannot grow. If there is no plant, we would have nothing to eat. So without soil, plant cannot grow, and without plant, we have nothing to eat. Plant take in water and minerals from the soil for growth, and to make the soil fertile, manure and fertilizers are added. What is manure? Manure is a organic fertilizer, that is, you can say compost, and fertilizers are made from the chemicals which are added to the soil to make it fertile. And we get many useful minerals such as diamond, granite, marbles and ruby from the soil. These are minerals. Diamond, granites, marbles and ruby, from which we get it from the soil. And we use these minerals to make jewelry items, and in the houses also we use granite in a house, and we use diamond and ruby as a jewelry. Soil is a home for many animals such as earthworms, beetles, snails, rabbits, mice, ants and moles. So soil is very useful for the animals also. Some animals stay in a soil. Soil is their home. Earthworm increase the fertility of soil by eating the organic matter that is present in the soil, and by adding their waste materials. मीन्स अर्थवॉर्म जो सॉइल खाता है और जो अपना वेस्ट मटेरियल सॉइल के अंदर थ्रो बैक करता है, तो जो वेस्ट मटेरियल वो थ्रो करता है, इट इज़ वेरी गुड फॉर द सॉइल. दैट्स वाई earthworm are known as farmer's friend. Why the earthworm is known as farmer friend? Because the earthworm make the soil fertile by throw out its waste material from their body. So students, our chapter is complete. I hope you understood this chapter. Read this chapter carefully and try to find the answer of this chapter. And the exercise A, mostly students are doing exercise A in the copy, so you have to complete exercise A only in a book. Thank you.